Once you click copy, you'll have your own copy of the slide deck in your drive that you can manipulate. So you'll see up here, you can name it anything you want, and you can add it to a specific folder in your drive. All of the text in these slides is editable. The big bold colored text is all done in word art. So to change the word art, just double click and you can make it say anything you'd like. Hit enter and there's your new text. So that gives you some versatility. If you'd like to change the coloring, make sure it's selected and you can click the color and that will change it. All the rest of the text is just plain old text boxes. So you can just highlight, select, you can change the color, you can change the font. If you would like to change the words, all you have to do is select it and you can type away. You'll notice if you try to move the pictures that the pictures and the boxes in some of these actually do not move. That's because they're done like this to abide by the clip artist's terms of use, and they have to be flattened to be able to use them. So I did flatten these. Everything else is editable though. All the text is editable. If you get to a slide that does not have an image overlapping these shapes, you are able to delete these and move them. So maybe you only want to have 4 groups. So you have the ability to do this as well. You can change the text again, like I said. You can change any of the text here with your lab rules. You can delete, you can move. So there you have lots of options. So if you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email at Carrie@Beakers and Ink, and I'd be happy to help you out. I hope you enjoy this product.